Hello, I'm Gary Kremen. We're looking for the next group of great ideas for Valley Water's 2022 grant program. Whether it's making a new trail along one of our creeks, restoring habitat, creating a new educational program for children to learn about their water supply, or even an out-of-the-box water conservation idea, we want to hear about it. You supply the idea, the plan, and the people, and we'll provide the funds to get it done. We've seen some wonderful projects come out of our grants program, which is funded by you, the rate and taxpayer. An example great project is the Webb Creek Bridge along the Alma Trail in Bear Creek Redwood Open Space Preserve. Thanks to funding from our grant program, hikers now have a great place to rest while admiring the creek flowing through a canopy of redwoods. Think your idea may have an impact? Applications are open now. Submit your grant applications by March 4th to be considered for the 2022 grant program. Visit our webpage to learn more.